Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. In this video, I'm going to show you a really awesome trick which people are using to make some awesome money online, and this is something which is not going to make you rich, but still, this can make you some of the awesome money because people are doing this stuff and they are making money out of it. They are not doing affiliate marketing. They are not selling any stuff, but this is something which is related to affiliate marketing, and they are doing this and they are making money out of it. Now, anyone, absolutely, for those who have basic understanding of how to do affiliate marketing, can do this stuff and make some money out of it. Okay, so this is not gonna make you rich, but still this can make you some awesome money, and this is something which I'm gonna reveal to you in this video. So with this video till the end and understand whatever I'm telling you, because if you are someone who's a student and who haven't made a dime online still today, you can use this trick and make some money. Okay, so now let's get started into the video and let me cover to you the entire thing which people are doing to make some awesome money. So now let's minimize this stuff and let me go towards the side of the screen and make myself a bit smaller. I just forgot to do that. Yeah, now I have become smaller. So now let's jump into the strategy. So let's go to fiverr.com, and you can see once I have typed something which is known as ClickBank. Okay, now you can see this one. Okay, I will find you a highly profitable ClickBank niche. That's really awesome because this is something which blew my mind. All this guy is doing is that he is not driving any traffic or doing any stuff. He will just find you a good niche to do affiliate marketing, and that's something which is really insane because most of the things like this you can find it on a website which is known as cbengine.com. In that you can find the highest selling products. Let me show you the website which is known as cbengine.com. Let's go over there and cb.com. Let me show you what this guy is doing there. He's probably collecting some of the okay, I don't know why it is not loading up. Okay, so what this guy is doing that he is probably collecting some of the data from this website. Okay, so this is the website from where you can find that what are the best niches and best products which are being sold on this ClickBank. Okay, so this is the website which this guy is probably collecting data from, and what this guy is doing this, he has created this gig where he is helping people to do this stuff. Okay, and he is just finding some profitable niches for people, and he is just charging money for that, and he is just charging $15 for that. Okay, so that's really insane. Okay, so that's something which most of the people can do. Okay, so you can see this is complete. This is providing. He's giving some complete article takeover, 9 and social media handles. Okay, so this is something which is a bit difficult. Okay, so the thing is that even in the basic plan, he is just providing one genuine one domain name. Okay, which people can find easily with a domain name checker. Just search for domain name checker on Google and you will find it. Niche research. Now you can just check out 5 to 10 affiliate marketing videos and you can find out that the 3 niches which are evergreen are health, wealth, and relationships. Okay, and just those are the 2 things which this person is gonna tell the person who is ordering this gig. Okay, and maybe he is making some PDF out of it or something like that, and he is just providing that information to this person, and for that information this person is making a ton of money because there are a ton of articles. Okay, on Google, when you search for, just search for best niches for ClickBank. Okay, just search it and it will probably tell you that which are the best. So you can see here are the articles like top 5 ClickBank niches to promote products. Okay, so probably he is getting some of this information and just converting that information into a PDF document or maybe a video, and what he is doing is that he is just providing that information, and now what he is saying, he is giving you some of the analyzed keywords related to some of the product which you can find in many of the ClickBank products that in the affiliate section or in the JB page of a particular product, you can find this keywords. Okay, so that's something which can be really done very easily, and this guy is probably making some awesome money. Only 14 people, you can see it, he has got almost 4.9 stars and 14 people have given reviews. But it's not that. More and more people are ordering this gig every single day, and he is probably making $15 every single day just by doing this very simple stuff, not promoting any clickbank products, not doing any other stuff. Okay, he is just telling people and giving people information about what are the best niches in which people can do clickbank. Okay, people can use clickbank, and he is probably making some awesome money out of it. Okay, so this is something which is really insane, and this is something which most of the viewers of mine can do really very easily. And if you check out some of my videos, you will probably get a very good idea that which are the best niches of clickbank and all this stuff. Okay, and to provide this kind of information, you can also use this website which is known as cvengine.com. Okay, and you can just find out the best offers and all this stuff over here, and you can just create a PDF file, and you can just make a gig just like this and provide this type of services on Fiverr, and probably you will get some sales out of it. Okay, now this is not gonna make you rich, but still this can get you some money. Now this is also which is something really interesting, because I will give you 20 PLR blogs integrated with clickbank and Amazon. That's something which you need to find some PLR and all this stuff, but but this is something which is the easiest, because you are not doing anything, you are just finding niches for the people, and you are probably making $15 just by giving a piece of advice to people. And that's something which is really awesome, and that's something which is really insane, and this guy is really making money with it. And most of the people of you can do it who have some basic idea of what is affiliate marketing. And I probably think that most of the viewers who are there on my channel basically know that what is affiliate marketing and what are the best niches. Okay, so that's something that is really insane, and that's something that with which people are making a lot of money. So this is a chance for you to make some awesome money online doing this very simple weird trick, and you can probably make some money out of it. Okay, so if you are someone who is a complete beginner who has never made a dime online, can probably do this stuff and make some money. Okay, all you need to do is create a PDF on Google Docs, find an article just like this, and then when someone orders you the gig, all you need to do is provide him with that PDF, and that's it, and you are gonna pay for that. And this is something that is really awesome, and this is something which you can do just by watching some of the affiliate marketing videos. Just check out 5 to 10 videos, and you will probably get the idea of what is the stuff, and you can start making money out of it. Okay, so if you got some value out of this video, if you got some unique content which is really something weird but still it can make you money, just press the like button, smash the subscribe button, and do press the subscribe button. Okay, and you can check out my first link in the description. That is the best recommended opportunity, a plug and play system which I am personally using, and that's making me some money. Okay, so you can just check it out. Okay, don't just sit there idly watching these videos for entertainment purposes only. Get serious, click the link in the description, check out the product. If you like it, then go use that. Okay, and make some money, because I want you to make money. I want you to live a life of freedom, and that's something which is really important. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.